Hey y'all, it's your girl Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I will be showing you guys how I maintain my twist out throughout the week. The first thing I'm going to do from taking it down from the night before is putting wild growth oil on it, and then you guys will see me massage my scalp to promote my hair growth. Next, you guys will see me get some more oil, put it on my hand, and then I will put oil throughout my hair so it could control the frizz throughout the day. Okay, so the night before, I went back and I twisted some of my hair because they were frizzy. You guys will see me do it later on in the video. You guys will see me just touch up a few of my twists to make sure that the next morning that it is defined. And then you guys will see me go in with my gorilla snot, wet the sides, and then just slick that side part down so it can have that smooth look. Guys, so it is several hours later. This is at the end of the night how my hair looks. The definition is gone, especially where you see my heat damage. You guys will see me go in and I am twisting my hair. My hair is still moisturized, but I will go in with water at the end to make sure that it has a spiral, and then you guys will see me put oil in it, and then that is it. I don't need to add any products because my hair is moisturized from when I first did my twist out. So yeah, guys, that's what I basically do for my nighttime routine. I just go in and fix the twist that needs to be twisted up. I will oil my scalp. I will get a ponytail, put it in a nice loose pineapple, and then I will put some oil to massage my scalp once again, and then I'll put my bonnet on, and that's it for the night. Good morning. This is day 3 of my twist out. As you guys can see, it gets bigger and bigger as the days go on. I take the ponytail down, I put the oil, I just repeat the same exact steps that you guys see me did in the beginning, and I will complete this in like 5 minutes, and that is it for the week. Alright guys, so that is how I maintain my mini twist throughout the week. Honestly, if you guys did not see me take it down, or if you guys did not see me put it in, I will definitely link both of the videos down below in the description box. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and send this video off to y'all friends and let them know what Mesha Curlz is doing on this channel. I'm going to do a 360 for you guys. I will definitely see you guys on Sunday, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see y'all later.